So here is my grilled fish, and here is the sauce. Wow.
Cooking up.
So we need to prep our fish head here. I actually marinated with a little bit of salt, white pepper, or you can use black pepper as well. And also coat it with a light layer of vegetable oil. So my steam oven has been preheated to 180 degrees Celsius. Slowly we will put in this, put it a bit higher. Right. Close it. And we are going to grill this or bake this fish head for approximately 15 to 20 minutes. Hi, this is Cooking Appa. Today I'm going to make, how do they call it? There are a lot of, it's a grilled fish, but later they are going to serve in a stew in China. So later we are going to grill the fish first. You can use any fish you have. Today I'm using a half tiger grouper. So we are going to grill that. Meanwhile, we are going to make some mala sauce, yeah? Some hot and spicy China Szechuan sauce. Just now from Aeon, just go Aeon, I actually saw this. This is a mala sauce, so straight away I'm going to use it. If you don't have the mala sauce, you can just use any spicy bean sauce, yeah, spicy bean paste, yeah, any spicy bean paste will do. Then of course I'll be putting in also my Cooking Appa chicken stock powder with some water. Then it will become a chicken stock. I'll be using some extra ingredient. I like some. This is enoki mushroom and also some cucumber. You can also put in some yellow onion, some capsicum, really up to you, or chili. And here I have some julienne, ginger, some garlic, and also fresh coriander roots. And this is 13 spice powder. I think this is optional. So prepare a wok, give it a little bit of oil here and heat it up. Once the oil is heated up, we can actually put in the ginger, garlic, and also fresh coriander. By the way, Appa just moved into a landed house. I really have a lot of challenge with the flying insects. Any of you has any good idea? If not, insects like flies or some the small, really tiny small flies. Don't know how man. Don't know how do you call that? Always fly through my camera. Right. Next thing we are going to add in the mala sauce or any of your spicy bean paste. 2 big spoonful. Actually, in China, this dish is super oily. We will localize it. Yeah, we will localize it. Now, no matter what kind of sauce that you are using, especially the raw sauce, the fermented sauce, or fermented bean paste, make sure you saute it before you do anything else, because the process of sauteing will help to remove some of the earthiness, yeah, the earthiness of the raw bean paste itself, yeah. So you want to use a bit of oil and then saute it, like what I'm doing right now. Next thing, I'm going to add in some hot water. And like I mentioned earlier, I'm going to make this hot water to become chicken stock. So I'm going to add in 1 teaspoonful of my chicken stock powder, where you can get it from Shopee Malaysia or Shopee Singapore. It is 100% natural, 0 MSG, 0 preservative. I don't mind giving it some Szechuan wine, a bit of light soya sauce, some salt, some sugar to balance it. I think I'm not putting in, do I want to put in the 13 spice powder? I don't mind adding in some. Optional. This is optional, 13 spice powder. I always call it the big brother of 5 spice powder. Wow, smells really good. After it is boiling for a minute or two, we can actually put in this veggie or any veggie you like, or you can put in some tofu as well. Cucumber and enoki mushroom is my most favorite ingredient whenever I'm eating the mala hot pot. Tell me what's your favorite ingredient when you are eating mala hot pot. Put it write it in the comment section below, yeah? So we only need to cook this for probably about less than 1 minute. Then our sauce is done. Later, once the fish is ready, we just pour this over the sauce. Over the fish. After the first 10 minutes, I actually increased the temperature to over 220. Hopefully, I can manage to somehow char the outer layer a bit more, if can. I'm still testing with my new combi oven here. A lot of new functions to be tested. Look at this. I love to look through the glasses and see the cooking process. All right, the fish is ready. Wow, I can actually smell a bit of charness. Ooh, that's exactly what I wanted. Actually, a lot of those shops in China, in KL especially, they go and deep fry the fish. Well, you can, but the thing about grill and deep fry, it tastes totally different. I prefer the taste of grilling. The fish is definitely ready. So here is my grilled fish. And here is the sauce. Wow. If you have some sour pickle also, you can put it in. But here's my Appa's very simplified version of Chongqing烤鱼. That's what they call it. And we can actually garnish on top with some fresh coriander. All right, done. I hope you like my very simple video today. If you like my video, do share my video on the Facebook to your friends. Come to Cooking Appa Facebook page to click like and follow button. Follow Appa on the Instagram and subscribe to the Cooking Appa YouTube channel. Thank you very much. Bye-bye.